What is going on, y'all? And all you Cowboy Diecast crew. Thanks for clicking on the second part of this video for the semi races, the finals. Here are the trucks that are in the finals. If you watched the last video, you saw all the ones that over here that didn't make the finals. Still awesome trucks and semis. All right, guys, let's get these first two up there to start this semi race and keep watching, because I've got some retro diecast, feature the diecasts that I think you guys are gonna like. All right, let's get the first two up there and get this going. All right, guys, here's our first two semis that are racing. That's right, that's that Nighthawk Majorette. That's from the 80s, guys. It's pretty good condition. And we got Exxon Matchbox. So let's see which one of these guys wants it worse. I got the diesels roaring and waiting to go. All right, guys. See who takes it, y'all. Whoa!
Winner, lane 4.
That was pretty close. Might have to see that bad boy again. Woo! That was your Exxon for the win, 51. That's awesome. And old Majorette just didn't have it in him. So he can join the losers over here that didn't win. And he's gonna go see who's gonna beat him in this finals this video. All right, guys, let's keep it going and get some more racing action up there. All right, check this out, guys. We have the Bojangles Racing Team by Matchbox against a 46 Cold Trickle City Chevrolet from Days of Thunder. All right, guys, let's get it going. See who's gonna take this race, y'all. Here we go. Whoa!
Winner, lane 6.
Lane 6, it was Bojangles, and he is off the track, but he won. Some carnage over there. Old 46 Trickle didn't get it. All right, guys. So let's put him over here. And old 46, or old Bojangles, gets to go over here with Exxon. All right. Here's the remaining semis left to race. Let's get the next two up there and get it going. All right, y'all, check this out. We have really old school Kmart. That's a sweet looking old vintage style truck, cab over, with a little bit newer Kmart Matchbox Havoline. All right, guys. Let's see who's gonna take this. I'm pretty sure I know. All right, y'all, let's see who's gonna win. See who takes it, y'all. Whoa.
Winner, lane 6.
That guy got gapped right there. And look at this, he bounced all the way back here because he knew he was gonna be in the winner's circle. All right. So he's gonna, both of those old school ones are out. There's the other one, the TG and Y. And all you 80s kids remember TG and Y. And right over here, he knew he was gonna win. That's why he just bounced off the track and got over there real quick. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm racing them with trailers or without. I don't know, since he hasn't triggered, I think he's going to be faster than the Hardys. I don't know, we'll see. Let's get him up there and get going. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait, how Hardy's got an advantage? Well, I don't think so. I think this guy's going to be faster because he's on a trailer, so he gets a little bit of a head start. Because he's heavier. I think he is going to be faster. But I don't know, we'll see. That's Thunder Roller and the Hardy's 18 Days of Thunder Matchbox right there. That guy's Hot Wheels, of course. Alright. Let's see who's going to take it and take on these other winners here. Ready, set, let's go. Oh, that was sweet.
Lane 6.
It was the Hardys almost to the end, and then he came around and took it. Old Thunder Roller. All right. Well, Hardys, you get it over here. He's like, that ain't fair. I was like, well, sometimes life ain't fair, right? All right. Here you go, guys. There's the ones who are getting ready to go up in the finals. All right. Let's get the first two up there and see who takes it. Here we go, guys. First two for the finals. Oh, that name, Bojangles Racing Team, right there. Something you're going to hear on Cowboy Diecast Racing Channel, isn't it? And Exxon Racing Team 51. Alright guys, from Days of Thunder, Matchbox. These are both Matchbox. Alright, let's see who's gonna win this race. Let's see who takes it, y'all. Oh!
Winner, lane 6.
Check that out, guys. Bojangle won, but his trailer came disconnected. Wow. He said it was worth it, though. And old 51 gets to go in the losers lane. That's crazy. I'll put him over here. And put his trailer back on. And put him right there. And she's going to take on that guy. Here's the next two. I know. Let's see if he can come around that semi. Or if that semi is going to beat him. See who takes it. Get him up there, guys. Alright guys, like the last race, you saw him come around that semi and he took it. I don't know, maybe Kmart Haviland's faster, who knows. Maybe he's hopped up his engine a little bit better. Alright, let's see if Thunder Roller is going to take it again. Straighten my starting gate up here. All right. Let's see who takes it, y'all. Oh, man, that was so close. Boy, he barely got it, I'll tell you that. I tell you what. Well, dadgum. There he is. He's going to take on old Bojangles. I don't know, man. Bojangles is pretty fast. All right. Gets to go over here. Here's all the ones that didn't make it. I like this majorette right here. This thing is so sweet. This cab over. Peter Pan. Majorette. That thing is sweet. There's old Kenworth, remember that? Yeah, he lost to old Thunder Roller. Still a fast truck, though. All right, y'all. Let's get him up there. Here it is, guys. We got the Thunder Roller and Old Bull Jangles racing team. Right there. If it's close, we're gonna switch lanes for this final race. All right, y'all. Let's see who's gonna take it. No! Oh! I don't believe it, guys. Look at this. Bo Jangles won, but look at the semi. Look how far back his trailer bounced back. Wow. See, guys? Wasn't that unfair because old Thunder Roller thought he had it. But let's switch lanes and see if he can do it again. I'll put his trailer back on. Alright, guys. Let's switch lanes and race again. Alright, y'all. We got the lane switched. I got Bojangles in 6 and old Thunder Roller in 4. Let's see if Bojangles is going to beat him. Because he has come around every other semi and won. Bojangles has actually hopped up his engine pretty good, huh? Alright. Here we go, y'all. See who takes it. Oh.
Winner, lane 4.
So this race, Thunder Roller won it. And actually 4 isn't one of my faster lanes, so that's surprising. But yeah, look at, he bounced all the way back here. From there. Alright, guys. We'll switch them up again. See who takes it. Okay, guys. Here's a race. It's gonna call it. Man, I'm surprised that Bojangles truck is fast. So is Thunder Roller. So I was shocked when Bojangles won that first one. But they're even now, so. You got a race, a win, a race apiece. Alright, we're gonna see in this next one if Bojangles still has enough to win. Alright, guys, let's see who takes it. No!
Winner, lane 6.
God, that was close. It was actually Thunder Roller, and he took it, guys. There's your winner of this semi-race tournament. Right there. Here he is. Yeah, it was close though, because there was other semis that beat him. But he still is a winner because he's still my fastest Matchbox. Right there. Alright, guys. There it is. Your winner. Well, thanks, guys, for watching this awesome race. We're not done yet. We still got our diecast feature video, so. Alright. I think you know what time it is now. That's right, y'all. It is the diecast features of the video. I've got multiples, just like I had on the last video. So, panning slowly. There's all my 80s show, check that out. How many of y'all 80s kids love the 80s? There's some McDonald's toys. Check out old Brainstorm there. And gargoyles, you know, like gargoyles are all from 80s. Alright, guys, sorry I got distracted. Here we go. Check these out, guys. Now I know if you guys are 80s kids, you guys remember these. Stompers. You guys remember these? These are actually kind of hard to find. And actually, you're, depending on where you get them from, can pay a little for them. These guys are like from the 80s. Check that out. I have awesome memories of playing with these when I was a kid. I love the Stompers. They have the ones that are worthwhile, the ones that are motorized that take batteries, and the lights actually will light up. And those are cool if you can find those. I've seen some like semi truck versions, but those are kind of pricey. I do want to get some if I can find some at a decent price. These guys are cool. I love these guys. These are so cool, guys. I found some loose, and I found actually, I think this one in a like a $2 Hot Wheels grab bag, believe it or not. They're in really good condition. All of them are pretty cool. They're all actually in good condition. Still have all the writing on them, they're not scratched off. A lot of times all the white wheels in there will be yellow. These aren't. That number 23 on the door there. That's sweet. Check that one out. Oh, SR5, I don't know what that means, a Toyota. Check that. It's funny that says Tercel. Remember Toyota Tercels? That's an old car, but this all really isn't. Toyota right there on the top. See, all these are in good condition. I like to get them in good condition, guys. I don't like to get them when they're not in great condition, but there they are, guys. That's one feature. And I'll get the other one up here for you guys. Here we go, guys. This is more modern. These are the muscle machines. I just like these. This is a 5.0 Mustang Highway Patrol. It's got the lights there on the hood. The big motor popping out. Nice pursuit vehicle, huh? Right there in the back says Highway Patrol with big mufflers. I like how the underneath side they actually do some detail on the underneath side too. Because these are awesome to get for just, I mean, these things are like $4 maybe. I think they're pretty detailed, $4 or $5. I like them. I got a couple of them. I don't know if I've shown you guys this one or not. This is Old Smoky. Look at that truck. It's got some cool detail. Got some patina on the hood there, on the sides. Has AMS oil, 128 on the door. And Koyo tires. Those are some good tires. Check that out. Ford on the tailgate, the taillights. It's got some white lettered tires there that say Toyo. Look at the engine. Check that out. Got that little turbocharger and exhaust coming out there. That thing is loud like that. That's awesome. Grand trees, man. So that's awesome, guys. Those are those two. I know I've shown you these, just the other ones that go with it. This is the Chase, the Grand National. That's the Chase of them. That's a sweet car. Those tailpipes are sick. Got the old GNX. That thing's awesome. I was happy I found that. And I'm not showing you how I got it for. I'll just put them all together now. And the other 5.0 that's not the Highway Patrol. This is the Cobra. Right there. That nasty motor popping out of there. White letter raised tires. just good detail for what they charge for these guys. I think they're really cool. I like them anyway. Some people might not, but I do. So there they are, guys. That's the ones I've got for now on the muscle machines. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this diecast features of this video for our semi-race tournament. So on the next video, obviously, I'll have some more diecast racing for you, or some more diecast features and some more racing. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I thought it would be funny, guys, if I could find them to do tractor races. That sounds like something on Cowboy Diecast Racing. There's some box truck racing too, but anyway, I'll figure it out. Alright, guys, thanks for checking these diecast features out. Alright, guys, that is gonna do it for this video, man. Thanks for clicking on this video and spending part of your day with me. I really appreciate it. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so y'all know when my next videos come out. I'm like at 114 now, so thank you guys for helping my channel grow. I'm hoping to get that 500 mark. Just small goals, one goal at a time, right? Alright, guys, so I will see you guys on the next video down that Cowboy Diecast Racing trail. Have a great day, and God bless.